Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got some samurai cards. So we'll see what's obviously going to be in here. Not sure how many packs it is, so we'll do half today. We'll get some more. Hold on, people. Got 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 there. 14, 15. I think it's 30, so let's just check. Sorry, one camera. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 15 left. Put them back into the box again. I left half in there. And here's the packs. We're going to open all these. Cards feel pretty good inside. Not sure what they're actually called, but they look like samurai things in Korean. But let's go. Hope you go. Welcome back to the channel anyway. And I hope you either like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Oh, the chunky cards again. Wait, I don't know how it's going to be the first one, so let's just open them. Oh, these are nice. Look at that one. That's a nice card. I don't know which one's the back. Oh, that's the back. Oh, that's nice. That's a ZR. But it's the back and all, which is so nice. Look at that back. And then you flip it to that. It's a very nice card. They're very thick. Look at the thickness. Let's turn this one. Oh. An LGR and a GR. I'm trying to make piles so it's easy for later. Three cards in each pack then. Don't know how rare everything is, but SR. They feel just so smooth and thick. A VR. So obviously these shiny ones are going to be better. Cute again. Cute chibi little thing. I know. Put that one over there with them. Put the non-shinies over this side. And we'll show them all off at the end. This next one is a GR again. A VR, that's pretty cool. Okay, here's. Oh, training card. TR. There's a lot of different variants in this set. Because, as I say, I've got 7 different variants now. Nice cards though. SR. This is a new SR2. Then we got XS. That's another new one. Then we've got GB thing. QR. Sorry. They're QR. We've got 1 and 2 now, so it's like QAR. The Shimmer and all. Next pack, guys. We've got another SPL. This is a big set, this is. And we've got LGR. I think we've opened an LGR. Yes, we have. I see it. And then we've got a ZR. We have opened a ZR. But the last ZR was a lot more. That was the last ZR. It had a cool, very cool back. Must be more special. Oh, got some here, guys. You see that? That's the backs again, but look at that card. We'll flip them. We'll go that one last. We got VR. SR. And a GR. GR, but not good. Yeah. GR. Not all GRs are the same, because these are the other GRs. But that was like a ticket card. Nice cards. Whoops. I'm gonna have a GR. Did I say that one? Oh, that's the same. We have pulled that. So that's a dupe. Dupe can go over there a second. Then we've got an XS, yes, we've got that one. And then we've got an LP. SLP. Don't know what they stand for, but let me know if you know any of these, what they actually stand for. Like I know SRs are rares. Super rares, sorry. Ooh, QR. Number 7, I like them. I always like the chibi ones. And then we got LGR. Nice artwork on them. And the SR. They're cute. SR's there. ZR, that's a cool card again. I like that card. ZRs are pretty nice. The VR, the artwork on them was absolutely amazing. And yeah, ZR, super rare. I think this is. It's probably sideways. We've got a GR normal again, no ticket one. XS, and hold on, AR. That's new and all. First AR. God, there's so many to collect. Oh, that's nice. QR. The patterns on it, you can just feel them on the card. Like all the patterns of these, like the thing. They're nice cards. LGR. I think I've seen this one. Oh, I haven't. It's a different LGR. And and an SR and green. Definitely I got that one. A couple more packs, guys. Do you know what? I might do one more for this episode. Big box. Just do the full box. We'll see. Because there's not many cards in this. We've got ZR. Pretty again. I think I've seen this one. No, I haven't. I am lying. And then we've got this one, which is a different thingy card, which is, yeah, nice artwork. Next pack. We're doing well. Keep it up to speed. And we've got a GR again. Very nice artwork. The feel on the card, you can feel this on the side. Look. It's just nice. Shimmer. It's a GR. We've got XS and SR. Don't think we've had many dupes, guys. I think this has got a ticket in it. It feels like it does. And I'm wrong. This felt weird. Oh, we're going to achieve it. We've got another. I've seen that one. That is definitely, we've got that one. Yes, we are. That's the same, guys. I'm not sure. Should we buy it? No, this is new. LP. Probably the last pack, guys. I'm doing them all. Oh, ticket. See that, guys? Ticket one. Hold on, get rid of this rubbish side for a minute. Clean that up in a minute. Now. Boom. We got a ZR. Open a bucket. We got a SR. And then we got a GR. Is that the same GR? It's the same one, guys. Same ticket one. And the same box, which is not good. There's the rest of the bags. Get through these. Those are the rest of the 50. Why not? Little special video for everyone. I'm going to do 30. Oh, there's only some more cards. Hey, oh, that's shiny on the back again, guys. What is that? I think that's new. I'll have to go through them again after, guys. And then we've got a trainer, which is new. Then we've got, wait. That's the ZR again, but I just got that one, but the bucket was different. Here, look. ZR. You see the bottom? God, that's why I said ZR. Yeah, slightly different cards. And they got the foil on the back. See what I mean, look, guys. As the bottom's this colour. Colour, that's different. Let's look into that a bit more. Damn. Oh, that's a nice card. GR. Blue. Very nice. Then we've got a VR, which we've already got. I can see it's the top one. Then we've got an AR. Where have I put my AR? Over here. Which I ain't got many of them. That's alright. I know that's new. Next pack. We got a ZR. We got LGR, which I don't know if it's new or not. It is not. Got that one. And then we've got an SR, which some of the SRs could be fine. I'll have to go for them after, but oh, I think we've got that and all. Oh, have we? We haven't. That's new. That's new. New QR. Z, XS, and SR, which is not bad. Next pack. Get through this pretty quick, guys. I just want to show you what's going to be in these packs. Let's go again. GR and SLP, which might have actually, which we ain't got, so that's a new one. Oh, ZR, with that book yet again. LGR, which looks good over there, and SR. I'll go for them at the end. Oh, QR purple. That is new. XS and hopefully R. There, guys. Boom, GR, which I think I've got. Yes, I can see. So I go to the side, a VR, and an SR. I think I've got something else. I've got to be the same. As a ZR, which is the one I just pulled the last pack, which is weird. So that's a bit weird. Then you got a LGR and a new one of these training, like from the movie. It's like from the movie or the TV show. Because I'm guessing this is a TV show. You know, if you've seen it, guys, let me know. Boom. I think that is one of the same as what I've got. Number 10. No, it's not. It is new. Which is good. I always like a good cheesy one. I'm not sure about them. I'm not sure about them, but GR. VR and AR. Wait. I don't know my next video will be, guys, so probably will be in a couple of days time. Like always, I can't keep going every single day. Oh, it's a card here. The back ones are something. ZR normal. Then we got a LGR. Then we've got a ZR Shine on the bottom one, and the foil on the back. So I'm guessing they're special. QR, which is number 5. Yes, I've got that one. Spare. XX, and yeah. Oh, I dropped my scissors. Where do I put them? God, where'd they go? Sorry, guys. What's this? Last pack? Yes, last pack after this one. We've got a GR, a VR, and LP. Right, last pack, guys. Flew through these, and then I'll just tot up what I've done and got. Now let me see, show you. We've got a QR, we've got an XR, and the last card is a thing. Right then, let's just get rid of the rubbish. 1 minute, guys, and I'll let's just tot up. Now, guys, we're back. Right then. All these are SRs. They're all different. All of them are different. These are the SRs. Just go through them actually to let you know. All of them different. You got your VRs. Unless I have to gone through them all to know what. I'm not sure what grade orders, what grade order, but you got your X's. You got your TRs, which I didn't get any of them spare line. You got your LGRs, which all nice cards, guys, all nice cards. And then you got your ARs, which are there, right? Then you've got your LPRs, which oh yeah, a bit similar, most of them are a bit similar, not what I'm saying. You got these, my favourites, QRs. You got your ZRs. You got your ZR Specials editions with the light up bottoms and the light up on the back. And then you got all your spare guys. Spare cards, which is a lot, to be honest. How many packs was there? 1, 2, that's a pack. Right. 5, 6. 6 packs, 6 and a bit. So not really bad after 8 packs, guys. 6 and a bit packs was not good, but that's the name that we're just doing it for fun. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I hope you subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Please leave a comment, leave a like. Goodbye.